Hi, welcome to the Pritzker Military Archives and Memorial Park Center construction update. Since July, we've been focused on the building's exterior, erecting the large steel trusses that form the sides of the Archive Center. After many months of planning, 7 cranes mobilized onto the site. Their job was to hoist the beautiful red trusses into place. Each 240-foot truss required 3 main cranes and 1 assist crane to simultaneously rotate the steel into place before crews attached them onto the primary steel structure. The design required both trusses to be attached to the main structure before releasing the load. This is critical because releasing early before the building was balanced could have caused a catastrophic failure. What resulted was a dance of sorts, with the cranes working in syncopation to accomplish the goal. In August, the canopy steel was installed on the building's 80-foot overhang. This technical installation required 5 cranes to rotate the overhang into place to be welded to the main steel trusses. With the second truss installed on the front of the building, the steel structure now spans 320 feet. Thank you to everyone who helped this unusual and complicated installation be possible. We're proud to report that everything went according to plan and everyone was kept safe during the process. Next to the Archive Center, work has also begun on a solar farm. Look for more information on that installation next time. Thanks, and stay tuned.